Step 1 in your well water checkup is locating the closest spigot to your well. It's not passing through any filtering. We want raw aquifer water. Step 2 is cleaning the spigot wellhead with a disinfecting wipe. We want to get all of the germs and bacteria out of our sample. Step 3 is turning on the spigot and leaving on for 4 to 5 minutes. Step 4 is filling up your sample bottle, opening up and making sure not to get your fingers inside the cap or the bottle itself. Filling up the bottle to the 100 milliliter line. Being careful not to let any of the powder inside the bottle escape. Closing the cap tightly, shutting off well, placing sample in the bag. Step 5, filling up your sample bag whirl pack by tearing off the perforated strip here, opening up with the white tabs with both fingers, also making sure not to get your fingers inside the bag. Filling up the bag 3/4 of the way full, leaving a little space. Once 3/4 of the way full, grab these, seal tight, and then wrap over itself like so, closing as to not let any leakage out of the bag.